Ni kontumana. Ara di keiti kumeso nyene pene.
Hey, ngese koto.
Ara di tiko nyonyo.
Ati kwa nani ngesi kumeso mpongeza hapa kwa mina isi jo.
I looked beyond the nose. Wallet.
You see,
so the wallet open okay kume.
So we admire what we see, and that's why you see like when the bambam, what people now have advanced calling nyash. Yeah, when it's the one trying to tantalize and making sure that my eyes can grab certain things, certain features in you. Yeah, so be it. Hey. So kana joda rere ni kumesi ngunu.
Mama ni kumesi. Yo mama ngete kumesi. Yo ngete nga wallet. Doda open a wallet ke di kumesi. So yo gesa pupoko kerebe jasi popete radio.
Right, it's the last hour and we have 30 minutes to the top of the hour, meaning a half.
Eko somone nyata bi kontunganan by Ojangale featuring Jumbo Beske de Queen Frankie.
Miketi kumesida, contrary no pomo, Miketi kumesida, contrary pregnant. So why would you say, you know, people akauno na ke unedu kone berela ajo. Amamena jen beje ene ojaki kumesi. Amamena jen bikiare ni che kumesi. But a single day comes like this. Then you wonder,
especially when people are annoyed.
Actually, that's when you know what someone does not like from the other.
And yet inside you really know that the person is beautiful or handsome.
If you want to know what someone does not like from the other partner, yes, I can't pong. Yata kana disagreement jealousy nyoka en.
Tiki.
Yes, je na yobe
Anyeti balajo bala iteje balasa kesa kuibe kwan. Konyi chamu jicha salo start apara jonke abeja. Doni chela kilo to sa buti berenga du muje kwanye mamrenga je na jokti ne ngara ni ngora.
Kali munda besi to sanke je paga.
But
it's what has brought you here. Yet the other time you were saying that, honey, this shoe is very nice for you. So actually,
there are some compliments you make just to make partners.
Now you were saying I can't get a sweet ballet parker. But last time when we were moving around trying to buy some shoes and something like that, you were admiring my legs and my feet, and you even complimented saying that, you know, honey, this shoe is the best.
Babe, it depends on the kind of babe you have. You know, there are some people who become emotional when you tell them the truth. There are spouses who don't want the truth. They don't even want you to tell them you're not smart. So sometimes those praises are necessary for peace to prevail in the marriage or relationship. There is a time I can see a shoe on you or something on you, and I want to comment negatively, but because I know you are not a person who takes negative comments, you know, in a good way, I decide to lie. But the truth is that we always know. For example, if I see your legs are not fitting some shoes, I would want to tell you, but for peace to prevail, allow me keep it for now.
But would that confirm you to abuse me?
No, I said, like for that hour, it is okay. But when you make me annoyed, I will remind you that your legs...
Your love goes in circumstances and, and situations. There's a situation where you will say, yeah, honey, your feet is nice. It's nice for this shoe.
Yes. But look, how can you tell your girl, your lover, or your husband that she's... Do you think it is really possible?
No, but then... that's why we get admired to people in whichever way. And they tell you even that, you know, did you see that man properly? You friends, you know how you can compliment and supplement certain things. You can be like, but Sarah, did you look at that guy? You know, you're trying to tell a friend that, yeah, my guy is Charles. Works and radio. But somebody would ask you, but you know.
I was looking, but I was looking particularly somewhere. Because, you know, most of the women, Yes, I'm now speaking because you used to say we women love money. Most of us want men who give us comfort, by the way. Attention, comfort, and you know, protection. Those are the men we want. And that's why you see, there is no ugly man to a woman. As long as your wallet is handsome, we are sorted. So when you make me annoyed,
appearance is also handsome.
Whether your nose is like a stool, I have no problem. But don't forget that when you annoy me, the truth will come out.
There are some nostrils you can see. You'll be like,